Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Undertale on piano. First, let's cover the fundamentals. Understanding the layout of the piano keyboard is crucial. You'll want to learn basic music theory, such as identifying notes and understanding simple scales. Practicing finger exercises for about 10 to 15 minutes daily will significantly improve your dexterity. Then, seek out simplified sheet music for your favorite Undertale tunes to begin your journey. Now, let's dive into some iconic Undertale songs perfect for beginners. Fallen Down is a fantastic first choice, featuring a slow tempo and straightforward melody. Next, try Ruins, which has a beautiful, repeating structure that helps build muscle memory. As you progress, Heartache introduces more expressive playing. Finally, Snowdon Town offers a slightly quicker pace, helping you develop speed and coordination on the keys. To truly master these Undertale melodies, effective practice is key. Begin by breaking down longer songs into smaller, more manageable segments, perhaps 4 to 8 measures at a time. Practice each hand independently until comfortable, then slowly combine them. Always use a metronome to ensure a steady rhythm, starting at a slow tempo and gradually increasing it. Recording your practice sessions can provide valuable insight into areas needing refinement. Once you've mastered the basics, you can explore more advanced Undertale arrangements. Delve into understanding chord progressions, which will unlock opportunities for improvisation and creating your own interpretations. Many online tutorials and vibrant piano communities offer excellent resources and support. For personalized guidance and accelerated learning, consider investing in lessons from a professional piano teacher. Keep practicing and enjoy the musical journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.